Hello, this is Nathan McEwen in Java 190. I am doing a methods video. I have chose to do a turtle.java instead of a picture. I'm redoing this because the first one, it was a little lengthy with the this statements, and I realized I can just put in a for loop, and well, here we are now. So redoing it, I will actually go ahead and run this to show that it works. Oh, no, I'm sorry, compile. Then run to show that it works. Then we have our picture here, our little star. So going through, this is the public, the main string, setting everything up. This is all within the string. This is the when it reads, this is going to be the first code that it reads, which is setting up a world. Setting up the parameters of it, pixel by pixel, x value by y value, pretty much setting up the blank picture. It's creating a turtle object to call, and then we're putting it into technically the earth, which is this new picture. It's setting it right up in the middle, unless we specify otherwise, which we have not. And then we have named the turtle, the object T1, so it can be called to do methods and other stuff easily. And then here are the parameters for that method, 80 and 10. DrawStar is the method. Then now the 80 is going to refer to length as parameter, and 10 is going to refer to the small with the parameter. They're both integers, so they're called as numbers, and then length is where they're going to be applied to in the code. So this code here is the actual method. It's setting up the method to be named drawStar, public with a return of void, the int, and then which is called here, and for both in this length and the small. And then we come down to here. I have set it up. This is pretty much a blank object call for the turtle. So the turtle's going to turn first. Then I'm setting up the index for the for loop. Then going into a for loop, we have the start of the start index set to 0. As long as the index is smaller than 4, it'll do its thing, and then the index will update. So as soon as it goes to the condition, it will go down here, and pretty much it will repeat this line of code, which makes the turtle do pretty much 1/4 of the star. So it'll start from here, which is the first turning, doop, then it'll go here, and then it'll repeat it 4 times, then I'll hide it. That is all.